Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, April 14th and 15th, 2018. For your Saturday, it's going to be another repeat of what we saw on Friday, although we will have some clouds start to filter in later in the day, but I do think it's going to remain at least partly cloudy in the afternoon, and we're going to have mostly sunny skies to start. Temperatures are going to be challenging the 80-degree mark once again. We had many areas across the region that got an overperformance yesterday as far as temperatures are concerned, and some areas actually like Harrisburg hit 87 degrees for a high on Friday, and then some areas further east, Allentown down to Philadelphia, were 84. So with some very warm temperatures across the region that were noted on Friday. I don't think you get quite as warm today just because of those clouds filtering in the afternoon, but who knows? I mean, that's what the guidance is suggesting, so we'll still go with at least 80, 82, something like that for highs this afternoon. Either way you cut it, it's going to be above average and a very nice day for anything you have going on outdoors. However, we will have an abrupt change, and I mean abrupt change coming with this backdoor front coming in overnight tonight in some spots, and that's going to continue off to the southwest for Sunday. It's going to bring with it some showers, and it's going to be raw, damp, and chilly on Sunday. A complete turnaround in some cases. Temperatures are going to be 35 to 40 degrees colder than what we saw for highs on, or what we'll see for highs today on Saturday to Sunday, just 24 hours later. So temperatures are going to drop overnight when this front comes through, and it's not this front off to the west that's coming through Sunday night and Monday. We're talking about a backdoor cold front with high pressure off to the north is going to set up right about where the tip of the arrow was, right up here, and it's going to funnel in cold air down to the southwest, and that's going to create this backdoor cold front that's going to move all the way back through our area, and it's on this side of the front will be colder air. This side will be warmer air. All right, but it's not going to be, that's going to be too far southwest out of our coverage area, I think. So most areas within the coverage area gets into the colder temperatures. And when we say colder, we're probably talking about being stuck in the 40s in most spots for highs on Sunday. So again, you're in the low to mid 40s versus low to mid 80s. That's quite a drop in just 24 hours. So again, that starts filtering in overnight. So with the colder temperatures and the east wind created by this backdoor front here, you can kind of see it. Here's the high pressure responsible for this filtering in the cold air from the northeast, and your backdoor cold front situated like that. So you have an east wind coming off the ocean. This is a marine flow, and that's going to keep the temperatures down and keep it raw, damp, and chilly on Sunday. We also have the showers that are going to come through. Just some spotty showers in the morning, and actually it's going to be late night, overnight, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Just some spotty stuff, and then the showers become more numerous in the afternoon. You can see that here. Here's our meridional front. This is the north-south front. That's going to be moving eastward again. Still heavy rain along the front. Could be over an inch. Looks like an inch, 1 to 2 inches in spots of rain that's going to come through, and basically a 6 to 8 hour period from late Sunday night into Monday morning will be your heaviest period for that to occur, and then some residual showers after that. Here's that front moving through. Again, still showery in the evening on Sunday, but then once we get past midnight, that's when we start getting into the heavy rain, and that moves eastward, brings the rounds of heavy rain into Monday morning, and then we taper off the showers in the afternoon. May even stop once you get past mid-afternoon for most areas. And then I don't think we're clearing out, though. We're going to remain cloudy, and then mostly cloudy here for Tuesday until the system completely pulls away. We'll be cooler on Tuesday as well. Temperatures will go up briefly ahead of the front on Monday, and then once the front passes, it goes down, and it remains down to below average temperatures on Tuesday before rebounding again on Wednesday. If you want to get into that, I just want to get over the NAM high-res future simulator radar, just show you what we're looking at. This is after midnight. This is 1 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. You can see the front is starting to bring some showers out ahead of it. So the front's moving on to the southwest, and it's about up here at this point. So you see the showers near and along the front, and then as this moves off to the southwest, you're going to get an increase in that coverage of showers as it continues off to the southwest. So you can see that moving down further southwest by 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, and you have just widely scattered showers during the morning on Sunday. Here we get into the afternoon, though, and you can see the showers becoming more numerous. This model, this is the NAM, that's actually suggesting some areas might be close to freezing. Some of the higher elevations might get some freezing drizzle or freezing light freezing rain out of this. We'll keep an eye on this. I don't really know that that's going to happen, but we'll have to keep a close eye on it just in case. With cold air advection and that CAD signature, you can definitely get that. So we'll watch those areas for the higher elevations possible to get into some icing. And this would be Sunday evening. You see the showers are elsewhere becoming more numerous. Just a raw and chilly night. And then you can see after you get down to midnight, here's the heavy rain coming with the actual front that's going to move in early on Monday morning, bring out rounds of heavy rain. And this could be easily over an inch. Probably most areas are somewhere between 1 and 2 inches. I'm calling 1.5 inches just to be safe, but it looks like this is what it looks like at 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday when we're back to work. So there should be some heavy rain across the region. At least, though, any cold air that was starting to work in here erodes, and we're going to get rid of that freezing rain possibility. We're going to watch that for Sunday night for some areas of the higher elevations, but we do get a little bit of a mild burst ahead of this before this comes through. Also be some gusty winds, 40, 50 miles per hour wind gusts possible with the actual frontal passage. Then once we get out past this system, and we already took a look at Tuesday, still mostly cloudy with that front and that system still in the vicinity, but well off to our northeast, no precipitation, just mostly cloudy. We go back to partly cloudy here on Wednesday. We're going to warm up ahead of this next system, which is just a synoptically driven warm southwesterly winds ahead of this cold front, which is situated like this in association with this low pressure moving eastward. Not a lot of moisture with it, so we're not expecting anything but an increase in clouds for most areas, maybe a shower overnight Thursday night, probably later at night for far northern areas. You can see that here. Okay, right there, and it just kind of clips northeast PA on the way out, and that's about it. So elsewhere, we're just cloudy or mostly cloudy late Wednesday night, and start Thursday morning, and then clouds will give way to sun. We turn to partly cloudy after this front. A little bit cooler on Thursday, but even cooler on Friday with highs stuck in the 50s. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, April 14th and 15th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.